I'm Colonel Ritin Agarwal, Group Commander Kakinada, and along with me is Colonel Manik, who is CO 3 Cults Battalion. I, as the camp commandant, we are organizing Special National Integration Camp Kakinada, and he is Deputy Commandant, and the unit responsible for the complete organizing the camp. This is a special camp. When we say it is an integration camp, where the culture of the complete state or all the states are exchanged, where the cadets gets an exposure about the culture, their traditions, about the other states, and they try to invite the best culture and practices of that state. This 10 days make them a helps them to become a more responsible citizen. हमारा खुद का कैंप का मकसद होता है, जो एम होता है, मोटो है कि हम किसी जो बच्चे आते हैं उनको एक दूसरे के बारे में समझे, कल्चर के बारे में। जो आजकल आप जैसे नॉर्थ जो कश्मीर का बच्चा है वो आकर के हमारे केरल का, साउथ का कल्चर का समझेगा। आंध्र प्रदेश में हम मौका देते हैं कि पूरा आंध्र प्रदेश में वो घूमे। राजामुंडी हम उनको घुमाने के लिए लेके जा रहे हैं, काकीनाडा में, ठीक है। और मैं काफ़ी ग्रेटफुल हूँ, आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू दी administration, Rajamundi administration, honorable MP of Rajamundi, ma'am ka, and Kakinada administration for supporting to conduct this camp. In the camp हम बच्चों का competitions करा रहे हैं। मेन एम competition का बच्चों को हमने कई बार बताया, is not to come first, is to develop a healthy competitive spirit which will help them in future। जब वो जैसे जैसे ग्रो करेंगे अपने लाइफ में, तो एक हेल्दी कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस उनके उसमें बिल्ड होगी, कैरेक्टर में बिल्ड होगा, एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन बनने की हमें हेल्प। नहीं तो कई बार होता है बच्चे थोड़ा दुखी हो जाते हैं हारने से, जब उनको सक्सेस नहीं मिलता, वो चीज़ उनको हम बार बार समझाते हैं कि ये नहीं होना चाहिए। कई सारे कॉम्पिटिशन्स हैं, कल्चरल एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम्स हैं। हम बच्चों को क्या कहते वेस्ट आउट ऑफ बेस्ट समझाना चाह रहे हैं कि हम जो हमारा जो सामान वेस्ट हो जाता है, जिसको हम फेंक देते हैं, उसको हम कैसे अपने जीवन में उसको इस्तेमाल करके उसका इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं और अपने लाइफ में उसको यूज कर सकते हैं एज अ बेस्ट आउट ऑफ द वेस्ट। प्लस अभी जो टूरिज्म मिनिस्टर हैं सर ने हमको, ही इज ऑल्सो कमिंग एज अ चीफ गेस्ट एंड ही हैज assured us कि that he will be making arrangement, तो बच्चे जाकर के विजयवाड़ा में घूम सकेंगे और विजयवाड़ा भी देख पाएंगे। हमारा मकसद होता है कि पूरा आंध्र प्रदेश का कल्चर दिखाने का। मेरे आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, ऐसे ऐसे हमारे कंपटीशन स्टार्ट होंगे। भी आपने देखा होगा पेंटिंग कंपटीशन स्टार्ट है, थीम है हमारा विकसित भारत 2050। सो बच्चों को आइडिया लगना चाहिए, ये थिंकिंग कॉन्सेप्ट है कि बच्चों को शुड फील how they perceive in after next 20-25 years ki what, and when they start perceiving that, they will work towards that to ensure that India grows and become a Viksit Bharat in coming years. I will also now request my Colonel Manik also to have some to speak about the camp.
इंटर इंडिया में शिवंग नेशनल
एक है सिर्फ आंध्र प्रदेश तेलंगाना, on behalf of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and conducting, it is known as Special National Integration Camp Kakinada. ठीक है, what happened is कि there are total 6 or 7 national integration camp all over India. So one is at Gujarat, one is at Delhi, so different places in a year. So this year, in one training year, so one we are organizing at Kakinada. When we say Kakinada, it is a Kakinada group. We can organize either we have.
How do you select the same people for the competition?
No, what happened is कि we have this training directive we call that is issued by DGNCC saying that this Kakinada camp will be scheduled from so and so date at Kakinada. Gujarat from so and so date, Delhi from so and so date, that they issue. And then we work out what should be they give us some kind of guidelines to work out the camp. Based on that we have a conference regular interval with all the directors and giving them how we are planning to conduct and how you should select their cadets and send to us. Like the Delhi will select their own cadets and send to us.
Sorry?
Sorry?
Not directly sent to candidate.
Directly.
Also on the
No, we are not selecting it. Like you will select your cadet and give it to us. So Delhi select. Like when our cadet goes to, we select and send the cadet because we know our cadet well. How do I know the Delhi? But we give the guidelines. ki What are the competitions? How we are planning to organize? Accordingly, we send the cadets. But when I say Kakinada, it is one of the largest group in complete India. We got more than 19,000 cadets and more than 250 institutions under us. So based on that, we select the best cadets and get the SNI.
Sir, what is the main program of 12 days?
Main program schedule is like we are planning 2 to 3 places visit. That is Kakinada Port, then Coast Guard, Port area, Korangi Forest, and Vijayawada. Plus, we have got the lectures from eminent speakers about the various eminent speaker in various walk of life. Like one is coming and giving about the disaster management, what the cadets show. Then one we have got health and hygiene, say doctors are specialists, super specialist guy from the Rajamundi will be giving on the health and hygiene and first aid, most important. Like then we got lectures coming and giving on the rain harvesting, water harvesting. We get, what is the effect of climate change to us and how we can prevent. Then the competitions we have already highlighted. We have got the sports competitions also, tug of war, volleyball, and the cultural event of. When we say the cultural event, that each state will present a group dance, group song, and about their state, a presentation. We're giving a brief. This is all has been planned.
To all of you, I am Colonel H.S. Manik. I am CO3 Andhra Girls Battalion. I am the Deputy Camp Commandant for this camp. As you are aware, the camp is being organized at Diwan Churuvu at Rajahmundry district. It is a 12-day camp in which the basic aim is to promote national integration. So for this, we have got approximately 300 cadets who are participating in this camp. They have come from all over the country, particularly 17 directorates. And as they are from all the directorates, they will be interacting with each other. They will be having a very healthy interaction. And to this effect, we will be promoting national integration. The basic aim for it's not only as a group, but also we will be promoting healthy and learning experience to individuals, and also as a group when they will be interacting with each other, they will be learning a lot of things. For this, as Sarah has already brought out, we are having a lot of competitions, we are having a lot of visits to various locations. They will be having an opportunity to grow and learn. They will also having competitions which will definitely promote national integration to this effect. We'll be having some kind of lectures, seminars in which we are getting prominent speakers who are business entrepreneurs or motivational speakers. We have already told everyone that the basic aim is to interact, and they will be promoting integration to this effect. So that's all from my side. Thank you.